Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos to learn maths, physics, and chemistry. Students, today we are going to do questions on quadratic equations, which are taken from past year papers for IGCSE, GCSE, and Cambridge Board, class 10th. Let us look at the first question. It says, write x square minus 18x minus 27 in the form of x plus k square plus h. So what we do here is we look at x square minus 18x, look at the coefficient of x, which is 18. Okay, so just divide it by 2, so you get 9. Okay, now what will we do? In the same polynomial we will add 9 square and subtract 9 square. So which is actually 81 minus 81 is a 0. But with this, what will happen? We will get into the a plus b whole square formula, which is a completing this square formula. So now let us do that. So we will rewrite this as x square minus 18x plus 9 square minus 9 square minus 27. Okay. Now, students, if we look here, this has become x minus 9 whole square, because that is what, if you look at this is a minus b whole square formula. Okay, and now minus 9 square is minus 81 and minus 27. So we are supposed to write in this form, so we will write x minus 9 whole square, and minus 81 minus 27 is going to give us minus of 108. So this is the first part. Now it says in the second part that use the answer in part A to solve the same equation, which is x square minus 18x minus 27 equals 0. Now, since we have already written this left side as x minus 9 square minus 108, so what we need to do, just equate it to 0. Now what will happen? So we will have x minus 9 whole square, which is equal to 108. Okay, so now what will happen? So we have to find x minus 9. So x minus 9 would be equal to plus minus of root 108. Okay, and then what would be the value of x? It would be 9, because minus 9 goes to other side, plus minus root of 108. Okay, now, in order to find the answer in decimals, what we can do, we can just go and find square root of 108, which is going to give us 10.39. So we will get x equals 9 plus 10.4 if I am rounding it off to one digit decimal, or 9 minus 10.4. Okay, so here the answer would be 19.4. Here the answer would be minus 1.4. So this is how we solve this particular question. Okay, now let us move to the second question. So the second question is, the nth term of a sequence is 4n square plus n plus 3. Find the value of n when the nth term is 498. What does this mean? This simply means that 4n square plus n plus 3 is given to us as equal to 498. Since we have got an equation with a square, so it's a quadratic equation, so we need to bring everything to one side. So we don't want 498 here, so we do minus 498 here, we do minus 498 here. So what will we get now? So we will get 4n square plus n minus 495, which is equal to 0. Now, in order to find n, what will we do? We will use this formula that n equals minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, what is a? A is coefficient of square, n square, which is 4. What is b? Coefficient of n, which is 1. And what is c? the constant which is minus 495. Okay, so now we have to solve for this. So let us again uh, go to calculator and solve this. So we have to find, first let us find square root of b square minus 4ac, which is 1. Okay, and then we have minus 4 and a is 4. So let us do that. And we have another one which is minus 495. Okay, and the answer is coming as 89. Okay, so we are saying that n should be equal to minus b, which is minus 1, plus or minus 89, because that is what the value of root of b square minus 4ac is, divided by 2a. 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, so what are the answers we are going to get? One of the answer is going to be minus 1 minus 89 by 8. Okay, so which is minus 90 divided by 8, which is minus 11.25. And the other answer is going to be 89 minus 1 is an 88 divided by 8, which is 11. So there are two values of n. So now see, the question is, this is the nth term of a sequence. Now the nth term of a sequence cannot be negative. So we will reject this answer and we will say n equals 11. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Here again the quadratic equation is given. Give your solution correct to three significant figures. So first thing first, x would be found how? By using the formula minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what is our a? Coefficient of x square, which is 2. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is 9. And what is c? The constant, which is minus 7. Okay, so in fact you will have to show this in the exam. So you write minus 9 plus minus root of 9 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 7 upon 2a, which is 2 into 2. Okay, so this would be minus 9 plus minus root of 81 plus 56 by 4. Okay, now let us again use the calculator and get our things right. So we have a root of, have to find root of 81 plus 56, and we are getting 11.7046. Okay, since we have to give answer correct to three significant figures, so let us write this down as minus 9 plus minus 11.705 upon 4. Okay, now we have minus 9 plus 11.705, which is this divided by 4, which is giving us the answer. One of the answer is 0.676. Because we have to give answer correct to three significant figures, a 0 is not considered a significant figure, so our answer would be 0.676. Now what would be the other answer? It will be minus 9 minus 11.705, and that gets divided by 4, and we get minus 5.176. Okay, now see the answer. So let me write this down, minus of 5.176. Since we have to give answer correct to three significant figure, so what will we do? We will say, see, this is my first significant figure, and this is second, this is third, and this is sixth, so which is more than 5. So the answer would be minus 5.18. Okay, so these two are the values. Now let us look at the next question. We are given a diagram of a trapezium. The parallel sides are x minus 4 and x plus 5. The perpendicular distance between them is 2x. We are also given that the area of the trapezium is 351 centimeters square. Now, what is area of a trapezium? Area is given by half A plus B times H, where A and B are the parallel sides. So let us say this is A, this is B, and this is H. We are supposed to show that 2x square plus x minus 351 equals 0. So let us do that. So area, which is 351, equals half times A, which is x minus 4, plus B, which is x plus 5. Okay. So what do we get now? So the area and into h, which is 2x, correct? Into h. Now what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will cut each other, and we are left with inside here x plus x is a 2x and 5 minus 4 is a plus 1. So, and that gets multiplied with x, and we have got 351 here. Now x into 2x is 2x square, x into 1 is x, and this is equal to 351. Since we have to bring 351 to the other side, so let us do that on both sides. So we get 0 equals 2x square plus x minus 351. Okay, which is what we are supposed to prove. Now we have to find the value of x. Again, let us quickly write what is a here. A is 2. What is b? That's 1. And what is c? Minus 351. Again, we are going to use the same formula. Okay, so let me make space here first, and let us keep it aside for a while because we are already done. Now, so we are saying that x would be equal to minus b, which is minus 1, plus minus root of b square, so 1 square, minus 4 times 2 times minus 351 divided by 2a, which is 2 into 2, okay, which would be 4. So now let us again use calculator. So we are going to find, uh, just a second. So we have square root of 1 minus 4 and times 2 times minus 351. Okay, that gives us 53. So we are saying x could be minus 1 plus or minus 53 by 4. Now 53 minus 1 is 52 by 4, which is 13. Or the other value would be minus 1 minus 53 by 4, which is minus 54 by 4. Since we are finding side of a trapezium, which cannot be negative, so we reject this, and hence the answer is going to be 13. Okay, now let us look at the next question. The next question is, which is the last question for today's video. So students, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Also, if you have liked the content, please press the like button and do share the video with your friends and help us spread word. Now let us look at the last question. It says, given that 2x minus 1 is to x minus 4 equals 16x plus 1 is to 2x minus 1, find the possible values of x. So let us first write this down. It is 2x minus 1 over x minus 4, which is equal to 16x plus 1 over 2x minus 1. Now we want to get rid of the denominators. So what will happen? We need to multiply this with x minus 4 here. So I have to do the same here. Now what will happen? This x minus 4 and this x minus 4 cut each other. Now I want to also get rid of 2x minus 1. So what will we do? Multiply this with 2x minus 1 here and multiply this also with 2x minus 1 here. Okay. So what will happen? This will go away. So what is the equation we are getting? We are getting 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 which is equal to 16x plus 1 times x minus 4. Okay. So now we will solve this and get the answer. Now 2x into 2x is going to be 4x square. 2x into minus 1 is going to be minus 2x. Minus 1 into 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 1 is a plus 1. Okay. Now 16x into x is 16x square. 16x times minus 4 is minus of 64x. 1 times x is 1x and 1 times minus 4 is minus 4. So we have 4x square minus 4x plus 1, which is equal to 16x square minus of 63x minus 4. Okay. Now let us, remove this minus, just a second. Let us remove 4x square from this side. So that happens and I get minus 4x square here. Minus 4x, so I should do plus 4x here. So let us do plus 4x here. Plus 1 will become minus 1, so it will become minus 1. So this side we have got 0 because everything cuts. And 0 equals 16 minus 4, which is 12x square. Minus 63 plus 4 will be minus of 59x. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So what is happening, students? We are getting a quadratic equation which is 12x square minus of 59x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this equation. Okay. Again, so now A is 12, B is minus of 59, and C is minus 5. So what would be X? It would be minus B. Minus of minus 59 is plus 59, plus minus root of B square, which is minus 59 square, minus 4 times 12 times minus 5, divided by 2A. Now 2 times 12 is a 24. Okay. Now, if we solve the square root part, we will get 61. So I'm using the calculator. So I'm getting 59 plus minus 61 by 24. Okay. Now one of the answer would be 59 plus 61, which is 120 divided by 24. So which is going to give us 5. So one of the answer is this. The other answer is 59 minus 61 is minus 2 by 24, which is minus 1 over 12. So there are two values of x. Either it is 5 or it is minus 1 by 12. Okay. Again, students, it's a request. If you have liked the content, please press the like button and do share the video with your friends. Thank you.